Hey guys, good evening. How are you all doing today? All good guys? सब चंगा? आ रहे आ जाओ गाइस. हाय. Finally. Hi. Hi Vineet. Hello Aditya. Hi Shri Krishnan. Hi Akshay. Shri Krishnan, I am taking back-to-back classes. You are also attending back-to-back classes. Very nice. Good evening Akshay. Hi Vineet. Arey, thank you Vineet. You don't know how much I appreciate that. ये ब्रोस इसके नाम पे ये क्या कर रहे हैं? लैनिस्टर खेल रहे हैं. इनको कोई संभालो गाइस. चलो ठीक है गाइस, वेलकम. दिस इज आवर थर्ड लेक्चर ऑन मिक्सचर एंड एलिगेशन. हाउ आर यू गाइस डूइंग टुडे? My name is Amit Surana and I am here to help you crack CAT. मैं नहीं बोल रहा, मैं थक गया मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन से. Please get yourselves added to these two groups. यहाँ पे upcoming classes के notes, notifications, everything would be available. These links are available in the description. And if you're planning on being the next 99.98 percentiler, just like Shivam Chandak and others were, then all you have to do is get the subscription for plus. Use my referral code Surana Life to get yourselves a discount of 10%. You can pick up any one of these packages. The best ones are the 12-month and the 24-month ones. You will get a discount of 10% on using Surana Life. ठीक है, चलो करें शुरू guys. Today what we are going to do is we are going to practice some questions on alligation. Okay, we had an interesting session this morning. 7 बजे आज सुबह जो क्लास था, that was pretty interesting, at least as long as what I felt. I hope some of you who joined there you also felt the same. आ जाओ, अभी प्रैक्टिस वापस शुरू करेंगे. यहाँ पे I'm gonna put up a question, 3 minutes for each of these questions. There's a timer running there and the question is in front of you. Go ahead, solve करो, फिर डिस्कस करेंगे उसे. ठीक है. Good evening Sheetal. Hi Sonu. Good evening. Hello Yogita. Hi Harshmeet. Billa Elish. I'm a bad cat. क्या? UCL 10 minutes में अटेम्प्ट किया. ऐसा क्या किया आपने? 10 minutes में पूरा अटेम्प्ट कर दिया. Good evening पायल. अरे अक्षय, क्या अक्षय? हाय ऋतिक. हेलो तनय. गुड इवनिंग. आ जाओ आ जाओ. अच्छा, टाइम नहीं था. ओके ओके ओके, तो ठीक है. मैं सोचा पेपर इतना इजी का 10 मिनट में पूरा पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर लिया. मतलब इरादा क्या है इनका? ऐसे दे रहे, चैरिटी में दे रहे कूपन वूपन. ईशा देखो, सबसे पहली बात है, मेरा जैसा तो कोई मिलेगा नहीं आपको. मेरा जैसा तो कोई मिलेगा नहीं. मेरे जैसा मैं एक ही हूँ. But I definitely love to refer you some educators. अपने चैनल पे इतने सारे educators हैं. If you are asking for educators here on YouTube, there's so many of us. For verbal, you can definitely watch Bobby ma'am's videos, Harpreet ma'am's videos, Ritu ma'am's videos. For LR and DI, you can definitely watch Ashish sir's video, Ronak sir's video, है ना. मतलब इस चैनल पे जो भी है सब एक नंबर. हाय अभी आए हो क्या? ओके. LRDI भी पढ़ा दूँ ज्योति? अच्छा, मतलब LRDI भी पढ़ा दूँ, फिर वर्बल भी पढ़ा दूँ. एक काम करता हूँ, आपका टेस्ट ही मैं ले लूँ. वो ठीक रहेगा नहीं? आपका टेस्ट ही मैं ले लेता हूँ. ओके, शीतल सेज बी, श्री कृष्णा सेज बी. ठीक है. हाउ अबाउट अदर्स? बाकी लोगों का क्या कहना है? टाइम और दूं क्या, बढ़ाऊं क्या टाइम, के आ रहा है आंसर? ना यू शुड बी वंडरिंग सर, ये तो प्रॉफिट लॉस का क्वेश्चन है, ये यहाँ पे एलिगेशन के प्रैक्टिस में क्या कर रहा है, राइट? सो दिस इज वन ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस जहाँ पे आप प्रॉफिट लॉस के क्वेश्चन भी एलिगेशन से इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. यस, विनीत सेज बी, अक्षय सेज बी, ब्यूटिफुल. अदर्स? आंसर आ नहीं रहे हैं, सिर्फ 4 लोगों ने आंसर किया है. सीन क्या है? तनिष्क सेज ए, 9-1. ओके, चलो लेट्स क्विकली लुक एट दिस. अ मैन बाइज स्पिरिट एट 60 पर बॉटल. तो अपन अब ये एलिगेशन से करेंगे, ठीक है? वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस यूजिंग इक्वेशंस. स्पिरिट का कॉस्ट कितना है? $60 अ बॉटल. एड्स वाटर टू इट एंड देन सेल्स. तो वाटर का कॉस्ट कंपेयर टू स्पिरिट, वाटर का कॉस्ट क्या होना चाहिए? 0. कंपेयर टू स्पिरिट, वाटर का कॉस्ट 0 होना चाहिए, राइट? नेग्लिजिबल. एंड सेल्स इट एट 75 रुपीज पर बॉटल. बट वॉट यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल इज 75 रुपीज इज सेलिंग प्राइस. आपको याद है मैं बोला था क्वांटिटीज मस्ट बी सेम. दिस इज कॉस्ट प्राइस, दिस इज कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो ये सेलिंग प्राइस हो सकता है क्या एलिगेशन में? डेफिनेटली नॉट. यस, ये सेलिंग प्राइस नहीं हो सकता. इसको भी क्या होना पड़ेगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस ही होना पड़ेगा. तो फट से कॉस्ट प्राइस ढूंढते हैं. प्रॉफिट कितना? 37.5. 37.5 इज नथिंग बट 3/8. करेक्ट? एग्रीड गाइस? सो 3/8 के प्रॉफिट पे, yeah, so can I say 3/8 plus 1, that is 11/8 of the cost price is basically 75. 11/8 of cost price is 75. Agreed everyone? Yes. So what happens? The cost price becomes what? 75 into 8 is 150 into 4, 600/11. Correct? तो cost price क्या हो गया? Cost price is actually 600/11. Cool. अब इसको एलिगेट करेंगे. Now we alligate this. Are you all getting this? अब इसको हम एलिगेट करेंगे ऐसे. Yeah. So what do you get here? 600/11 minus 0 is 600/11. 660 is nothing but 660/11. So 660/11 minus 600/11 is 60/11. This has to be the ratio. This is nothing but 10:1. This basically means what? 10 parts of spirit, 1 part of water. Got it? 10:1. That's your answer. Option B. Cool. किसी को इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन, डाउट वाउट कुछ? प्लीज एंश्योर दैट यू यूज द कॉस्ट प्राइस एवरीवेयर, नॉट सेलिंग प्राइस. ये बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है. कंसिडरिंग 60, 0 एंड 75, यहीं पे आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए क्या गलती है. आपको याद है, इफ यू रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेन यू एलिगेट योर एवरेज टर्म, दिस मिडिल टर्म शुड बी बिटवीन दीज 2 वैल्यूज. पर ये तो 60 से भी ज्यादा है, तो दिस शुड बी योर रेड फ्लैग. यहीं पे आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए कि समथिंग इज फिशी. ओके, ऑलराइट. 0 क्यों आया? 0 because when compared to spirit, cost of water is negligible. ठीक है, water is basically just added as what? As an adulterant. Yes. ठीक है, CP वाला conversion. See, 37.5% profit is nothing but 3 by 8 plus 1. 11 by 8 times of the cost price is this 75 rupees. The cost price is nothing but 600 by 11. This is the calculation. Okay. स्वीटी पूरा तो वापस रिपीट नहीं कर सकता, एक बारी फिर से देखो उसको, वीडियो को थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड करके जस्ट टैप ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड 2-3 टाइम्स, वॉच इट अगेन. इफ यू स्टिल डोंट गेट इट देन कम बैक, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. ठीक है, चलो. अच्छा, बिफोर वी मूव ऑन, आज जैसे किए थे 7 बजे, कल भी करेंगे. टुमारो मॉर्निंग 7 AM विल बी डूइंग एडवांस्ड क्वेश्चंस. यस, विल बी डूइंग हार्ड क्वेश्चंस गाइस, बोथ हार्ड. ठीक है, कल, दैट इज व्हाट, 18 Jan. आई विल सेंड यू द लिंक इन द ग्रुप, डिस्क्रिप्शन में नहीं है, आई विल सेंड इट इन द ग्रुप. ठीक है, चलो. Don't forget to use my referral code Surana Live when you join in. Next question. You've got office कल सुबह 7 बजे. ट्राई करिए आने का. सबको शाम में करना है. ठीक है, फिर कल शाम में करेंगे, छोड़ो, जाने दो. डन, शाम में करेंगे अपना यूजुअल 3 PM to 5 PM. इज दैट ओके? 3 से 5 बजे, दैट इज ओके राइट? 3 PM to 5 PM, लेट्स डू इट देन. हाँ गाइस, ग्रेट, ओके. Yogita says D. Three to 4 others. Sheetal says D. बाकी लोग very good. Ashish, superb. Gauri, very good. Payal, superb. Akshay, very good. Ritik. So what's the scene here? Two liquids, okay, P and Q are in the ratio 5:1 in container 1. So first let's look at container 1. P/Q is how much? 5:1. Container 2, what's the scene? P/Q is in the ratio 1:3. They're saying they're mixing them, right? They're mixing them in such a way that in the resultant, let's say container 3 में क्या बोल रहे हैं कि P/Q का ratio has to be 1:1. 1:1. That means equal parts of P, equal parts of Q. Yes, this is the deal. Now, do you remember yesterday I told you when there are no units given, then what do you go for? Concentration. Yes, so go for the concentration फटाफट से. So let's consider P in all 3 cases. सब cases में P consider करेंगे फटाफट से. So in the first case 5 parts is P out of 6 parts. 5:1 है, 5 parts out of total 6 parts is P. 1 part out of total 4 parts is P. and here one part out of total 2 parts is P, right? We have to alligate this. अब इसमें if you want to deal with 6, 4 and 2 अलग अलग से LCM do it, otherwise फट से यहीं पे LCM ले लो, right? 12 is the LCM, so this becomes 10, this becomes 3, this becomes 6. So what do you actually have to alligate is 10, 3 and 6. What is the ratio? 4, 3, 3:4. Yes. हाँ सुबह भी बताए थे, करेक्ट। और आज सुबह वाला काफ़ी खतरनाक था सेशन, नहीं? पूरा दिन का मतलब एनर्जी। चलो, ब्यूटीफुल गाइज, वेरी गुड एवरीबडी हु गॉट द राइट आंसर। cheers to everyone who got it right. Let's move on to the next one. Here's the next one. Take your time, read the question carefully and then solve it, okay? जल्दबाजी में मत solve करना। Cheers guys. This question is very simple, just that it is long, that's it. Question कतई simple है। All right, Saurabh says D cannot be determined. How about others? बाकी लोग क्या कहना? ए दिल लाया है बाहर। Sweetie says C. Cloud Gaming says B. Milan says D. Okay. Tanishq says B. Payal says B. Sahil says C. Payal says B. Others? Aditya, Yogita, Harshmi, Takshay and Ashish all at the same time B. चलो सुपर, वेरी गुड। शीतल, श्री कृष्णा, सिद्धार्थ। चलो फट से देखेंगे इसको। There are 2 containers. Okay, 2 containers, container 1, container 2. Okay, इसमें क्या है? 500 ml alcohol, right? और इसमें क्या है? 500 ml water. They're saying 3 cups of alcohol from the first container. 3 cups बोला है, सब जगह पे 3 cups ही बोला है ना? So can we assume something? Let's assume 3 cups is nothing but 100 ml. Shall we? 3 cups is nothing but 100 ml, right? तो क्या बोल रहे हैं? यहाँ से 100 ml निकाला पहले, removed 100 ml and is mixed well in the second container. मतलब इसमें ऐड कर दिया वो। So what do you have? Final outcome. Here you have 400 ml of alcohol. Here you have 600 ml of water. Further what they're saying, then 3 cups of this mixture is taken out and mixed in the first container. इसमें से So look at this carefully. यहाँ पे क्या है, ये 100 ml is basically alcohol. So this 600 ml water नहीं है, this is 500 ml alcohol, 100 ml water. Sorry, 500 ml water, my bad. 100 ml alcohol. इसमें से if I further remove 100 ml, if I remove 100 ml from this, what will happen? If I further remove 100 ml from this 100 ml जो मैं यहाँ से निकालूंगा C2 में से, that will be in what ratio? 5:1. Right? 5 parts of this would be water, 1 part of this would be alcohol. So 6 parts totally. So that basically means each would be how much? ऐसे ले लो, डायरेक्टली ले लो, 500/6 ही ले लो, right? So you remove 500/6 ml of water and you remove 100/6 ml of alcohol and you add that here. यहाँ पे add कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, 400 ml alcohol already है, you're adding 100 ml 100/6 ml alcohol here, plus you are adding, so this is full alcohol, and you have what, 500/6 ml of water. Got it? Ashish, nice one. Nice one. Okay, let's see if that matches here. So they're saying let A denote the proportion of water in the first container. Water in the first container is how much? What is the water in the first container? A is nothing but 500/6. Yes. And B denote the proportion of alcohol in the second container. B is what? Alcohol in the second container, which is how much? From 100 ml you are removing 100 minus 100/6. That is basically 500/6 ml. So what do you get? You get A and B both being equal. Got it? But look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. What they're asking for, however, is proportion of water. What they're asking for is proportion of water. Yes. So in the first container 500/6 ml is alcohol, ml is water here, or water, alcohol, whatever. So total कितना है? This is 500 ml, this is also 500 ml, बराबर, out of 500 ml both places. So it's actually A being equal to B. Got it? Everyone? Explain B again. B is nothing but this part. B is nothing but this part. देखो water है already, alcohol ये रहा. Alcohol initially there was 100 ml. Yes. Then when we removed another 100 ml, what happened? 100/6 यहाँ पे remove होगा, यहाँ पे 500/6 remove होगा. So overall alcohol removal is how much? 100 minus 100/6, which is 600 minus 100/6, 500/6 ml. ठीक है? Have you understood this, guys? So A should be equal to B. Getting it? Any questions, queries here, guys? किसी को? तो everybody who said option B, everybody who said option B is wrong. एक बार check करो please. Check. Yeah. So it's always better that you don't involve variables. 3 cups मतलब कितना होता है नहीं पता क्योंकि ml में दिया, तो just apply some value there and then get it over with. Yeah. Beautiful. चलो next question. Hi Alam, I am from Chennai. I am from Chennai, buddy. Got it, moderator. Understood. I'll get that checked. Soumya says C. Thank you so much, Alam. Thank you so much, buddy. Yogita, Ganesh and Avyav say A. Abu Hatela says B. I never thought I would say this live on YouTube, but Abu Hatela, good job. Okay, Sheetal says A. Shri Ganesh, oh, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? என்ன மச்சி, நல்லா இருக்கியா? சோர் துண்டியா? Superb. Aditya, Akshay, Gauri, Tanishk, very good. Sahil also says A, beautiful. Of course I know Tamil, man. I've lived in Chennai all my life. It's Singara Chennai right through. Okay, alright, let's go do this. A milkman mixes 20 liters of water with 80 liters of milk. 80 liters milk, water 20 liters. After selling 1/4 of this mixture, so when I sell 1/4, the ratio of that 1/4 will still be in the same ratio, correct? Milk or water in that 1/4 will also be same. So basically I'm just removing 1/4 from here and removing 1/4 from here, correct? So if I remove 1/4 from here, what do I get? I have 60 liters of milk remaining. From here, if I remove 1/4, I have 15 liters of milk remaining, correct? Agreed? Now what are they saying? Water, not milk, water. Now what are they saying? He adds water to replenish the quantity that had been sold. How much was sold? 25%, right? 1/4 was sold. So out of 100 liters total, 1/4 sold, that is nothing but 25 liters was sold. So this 25 liter deficiency is actually added back as water. So finally what do we have? 60 liters of milk, 40 liters of water. This is milk, this is water. Current proportion of water to milk is what? 60:40, which is nothing but, water to milk. So it is 40 water, 60 milk, which is 2:3. Option A. Cool. आशीष चेक करो, 60:30 नहीं आना चाहिए, 60:30 नहीं आना चाहिए. We are removing 25 liters, not 15 liters, so you will not get 60:30. What do you mean by replenish? What do you mean by replenish? Replenish means what? Replaced, filled again. Yeah, चलो, beautiful. कैट में क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही आएंगे जैसे आप करा रहे हो या इससे भी डिफिकल्ट आते हैं? नहीं, these are pretty much CAT questions only. These are pretty much CAT questions only. इससे डिफिकल्ट आ भी सकते, नहीं भी आ सकते, but these are actual CAT questions only. जिस थोड़े से मॉडिफाइड है. chalo try this. All the best to us in Tamil. All the best in Tamil is it's very very simple. All the best in Tamil is machi poi senjitwa. Actually, I don't know what all the best. Nalla senjitwa. Fairly accurate. I don't remember wishing anyone all the best in Tamil because I don't know. I don't think you do that in Hindi also, right? Hindi में भी आप जाके किसी को at least not in a colloquial way, एकदम formal way में कुछ होगा तो I don't know. Gauri says B. Others? Sheetal says D. Is it obvious that it is B? Let's see. Right, moderator, superb. Payal also says D. Cool. So you can do it in a more technical way using multiplication factor. Yes, you can try this using multiplication factor. So if you remember, I told you base quantity, remaining base quantity is basically equal to multiplication factor raised to the power n into overall total base quantity, right? Total quantity. I hope you remember this. So remaining base quantity is 90. This is multiplication factor raised to the power 2, correct? First x liters is drained out and then again x liters is drained out into total quantity is what? 160. So all you get is multiplication factor square is 90 by 160, or multiplication factor is basically 3 by 4, correct? Zeros get cancelled, 3 by 4. That basically means if 3 by 4th is remaining, multiplication factor is always on what? On the remaining. So out of 160, if 3/4 is remaining, that means 1/4 of 160 was what was removed. That is nothing but x. So x is what? 40. Yeah. You can also do it using answer choices. Reverse engineering you can do. So look, 160 milk and water initially was 0. So first you remove 40 here and add 40 here. What do you get? You would get 120 and 40. This is nothing but 3:1 ratio. So the next time we remove 40 ml, it will be 4 parts. Yes. So in this I will remove 10, in this I will remove 30. Are you getting this? So this would become 90, this would become 30, and then I'll replace that with water. That means I'll add the 40 back. So I have 90 and 70. Add again 160, coming back to the initial. So 90 is what they have mentioned. This is our checkpoint, works out. Yes. No, I don't think you will get a accurate answer with alligation, moderator, because you are removing 2 times, right? Maybe you can. Maybe let us try that. Let's try that tomorrow then, I guess. Or if we have some time, let's quickly look at this. We have 160, 0, 90, you get 90 is to 50. Sorry, 90 is to 70. Yeah, you can also do it this way. You can also do it this way. 90 is to 70 you get. 90 is to 70. So milk is 90, water is 70. Yes. So this basically means what? 90 parts of milk, you can directly reach out to this place again. Directly reach out to this place. You got 90 after removing it twice. You got 90 after removing it twice. Yes. Still doesn't make sense. Maybe let me work this out. Let's see if this will work. I'll try and work this out. We'll talk about this tomorrow. If we can do this question using alligation, things would become so much simple for us, right? Chalo. Try this question out jaldi se. छोड़ेंगे नहीं, देखेंगे, कल देखेंगे. Will not let it go just like that. Don't forget to like this video, guys, before leaving. हाँ. ट्राई कर रहे हैं ना आप लोग? Please read the question. Why? What happened? Are you not able to read it? That's probably because you didn't change your resolution. Change it to 720p. Change the quality of the video to 720p. It will become clear. I just did that myself. Works with 240 also. The default 144p doesn't work. Everything is blurred with that. Hi Raghu bhai. Hello. Okay, so no. So I think anything but 144p will work. Try with anything but 144p. શું નથી કરવાનું જય રઘુભાઈ? જ્યુસ પીવાનું મજાની લાઈફ. બસ કેરમ રમવાનું, જ્યુસ પીવાનું, મજાની લાઈફ. नहीं आ रहा? शुड बी देयर. अमन होना तो चाहिए. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स ट्राई दिस रियल क्विक. Empty metal container without its handle weighs 15% of what it weighs when completely filled with particular liquid. So we have three unknowns here: empty container plus we have empty container, we have the handle, and we have filled container. So instead of filled container, let's say liquid L. Okay, so what are they saying? Empty metal container C weighs 15% of what it weighs when completely filled with a particular liquid. So this is basically 15% of what completely filled, that is container plus liquid. Yes. So what do you get? C is equal to, so you get 85% of C is basically 15% of L. So you would get the ratio here at 17C is equal to 3L, correct? 17C is equal to 3L. Keep this aside. Next, what do we have next? After adding the handle, the weight of the fully filled container increases by 5%. After adding the handle, I want to do by equations. Okay, let's do it by equations itself. So what are they saying? After adding the handle, fully filled container increases by 5%. So we can say that the weight of the handle is basically 5% of completely filled container. Yes, handle is 5% of completely filled container. Yes, and you can, if you want to substitute here, get another equation, do it. If the weight of a partly filled container is 1/3 of the completely filled container with the handle attached, then what fraction of container is utilized? Assumption करेंगे क्या? Shall we do assumption? चलो assumption करेंगे, जाने दो equation जाने दो. Let's quickly do assumption. Get this over with. So let's say container plus liquid is 100 liters. Let's consider it this. Container plus liquid is 100 liters. So basically container is what? 15% of when it is fully filled. That is 15, let's say kilograms. 15 kilograms. Okay. So C is 15 kilograms. L is 85 kilograms. Further they're saying what? After adding the handle, the weight of the fully filled container is 5%. That means handle is 5% of fully filled container. That is 5 kilograms. Got it? If the weight of the partly filled container is 1/3, partly filled container is 1/3 of completely filled container with the handle attached. With the handle attached is what? 105. So your partly filled container is basically 35 kilograms. Yes. In this partly filled container, you also have your container and some part of the liquid. So part of the liquid is, if this is 15, we have found out 15 kg, then this has to be 20 kg. Yes. Now what is the question asking? What fraction of the container is utilized? What fraction of the container is utilized? That's basically 20 kg out of 85 kg is utilized. 20 kg is used out of 85 kg. This has to be 4/17. No, Sri Krishnan, no. Look, if the weight of the partly filled container only, partly filled container, handle is not mentioned here. Here handle will not be spoken, is not spoken of. Last step is partly filled liquid by total liquid. 20/85. ठीक है आदित्य? Yeah. Ashish, not really, no. Now see, if you look at the solution, because we started with equations, that was one mistake that we made, that we relied on equations more than we should have relied on assumption. Once we started assuming, things started falling in its place. That's it. Yes. You want me to repeat this? So I am assuming container and liquid is 100 kg. They're saying 15% of this 100 kg is the container's weight. So container is 15 kg. Out of 100 kg, 15 kg is container, then liquid is how much? 85 kg. Done. Further they're saying what? 5% of the total weight. Container and liquid total weight is handle. So handle is how much? 5% of 100 kg, which is 5 kg. Yes. Further what they're saying is some part of it is removed, right? Some partial, kya ho gaya? They're doing some partial part removal, right? So that part is nothing but 1/3 of all together. Container plus handle plus liquid. Container plus liquid is 100, handle is 5, this is total is 105. 1/3 of 105 is 35, out of which container itself is 15, so the remaining partial liquid is what? 20 kgs. Got it? That means 20 kgs out of 85 kgs. Liquid is 85 kgs, na? 20 kgs out of 85 kgs is utilized, which is 4:17. Done. Yeah, so this is something that you could attempt in a test like CAT, but this is not something that you will attempt when you are running short of time. When you have the time, that is when you will attempt, because you will also need your mind to be stable. Yes. Three by 17 must be the answer. Why so? Why would you feel 3 by 17 must be the answer? Yeah, correct. Yes. So this question is very much doable, guys, provided you are in the right state of mind. That's it. There's no discussion over that. Avyav, just try once. If you're still getting 3 by 17, then let me know, because it doesn't match at all. Now we just figured out, right, Avyav, 15 ml is not utilized. 20 liters is utilized. Not 15, 20 liters or 20 kg is utilized. I think you've added the handle also. In the calculation here, you've added the handle also. In this case, there's no handle because it's not given. They're only saying partly filled container. ठीक है? ए कौन है ये? जय रघु भाई गांडू થઈ ગયો કે? ब्लॉक करो बे इनको. गेटिंग गैस्ड अप. ढोकला खामन खा के यहाँ पे आके गैस अप कर रहे हैं. ओके डन. यस. No, Avyav, it is written later. It is written when they talk about 1/3. 1/3 of the completely filled container with the handle attached. Yes, when the handle is attached, 1/3, but here partly filled container, there is no handle mentioned. Otherwise, everywhere they speak about the handle. Getting it? Oh, super, Prince. But you don't have to write down the question, Prince. Question लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. PDF अवेलेबल ही है. PDF ही डायरेक्ट डाउनलोड कर लो, है ना? मिलन मैंने तो ब्लॉक कर दिया. भले ही वो मार्शियन भी टॉक करो, मेरे को नहीं पता चलने वाला. Alright, guys. अच्छा, this already happened today. I hope a lot of you gave. How was it? How was it? How many of you gave? How many of you gave UCL today? You gave, Sonu, super, very good, Gauri. Nice. What was the difficulty level? You too, Cloud, Aditya. 46th rank, very good, Sonu, super. How about others? लॉग के काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस थे. वेरी नाइस. मुश्किल था. 10 मिनट में देना अक्षय तो मुश्किल ही होगा. 10 मिनट में देना तो मुश्किल ही होगा. जाने दो. You got 41st rank. Very good, Yogita. कौन सेक्शन वॉज मॉडरेट? 42. अरे 46, 41, 42. पहले भी कोई 40 कुछ बोला था ना. सारे 40 वाले यहीं पे हैं क्या? ऑल 40 अराउंड रैंक वाले यहीं पे है. वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड, सुपर्ब गाइस. द नेक्स्ट संडे, कमिंग संडे, वी विल हैव नॉट UCL, वी विल हैव दैट कॉम्बैट. Coming Sunday we will have combat. Okay, and guys, if you want to take your preparation, if your preparation is here and you want this, then I want you all to consider enrolling in one of these batches. These are 3 upcoming batches. This one is starting tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and 22nd. You can also become a part of my batch, which is ongoing. 18th ko we will be doing SI and CI. That is tomorrow we are doing SI and CI. The link for this is in the description. All you have to do for this is pick up the subscription. Yes, use my subscription. This we will do tomorrow at 3 p.m. not 7 a.m. 3 p.m. okay. Alright guys, thank you very much. Please consider taking the subscription. Plus and Iconic, big difference. Their personal coach here. There is standalone OMET preparation, that means separate OMET preparation, expert guidelines, test analysis, and for all of this you can definitely use my referral code Surana Live. Once you use my referral code Surana Live, all of these prices will get slashed by 10%, and these prices will also get slashed by 10%. Yes. If you want to talk about this, then you can go ahead, join this group and ask me there, and I'll be more than glad to help you out. Thank you very much guys for being a part of today's session. I will see you all tomorrow. Until then, keep yourself safe and happy. Yeah, Shri Ganesh, 6:30 p.m. SI and CI. So we have 3 to 5, 6:30 to 8, 8 to 9. We've never done this before. Should be fun. Alright guys, thank you very much for being a part of this session. I hope you guys have had a great weekend today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Until then, keep yourself safe and happy, keep learning, and let's crack it.